I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact mobile number, including country code. Accuracy matters because search results depend on it. Next, open a browser or the appropriate app and make sure your device permissions are enabled for contacts and location so lookups work smoothly. Once done, sign into accounts you will use for reverse lookup. These logins let you access photos tied to profiles. This first step sets the foundation and avoids wasted attempts from bad input or blocked permissions. You now run targeted searches. Start with a reputable reverse phone lookup to pull public profiles and linked images. Then check messaging apps where profile photos are commonly visible. Open WhatsApp, Telegram, or Signal and search the number. Sometimes the contact photo is visible without saving. Also search connected accounts by trying the number as an email username or in social network search fields, because platforms often sync photos to phone-linked profiles. Make sure to switch between modes. You finish by verifying any found photo across at least 2 independent sources to reduce misidentification. Cross-check profile names, metadata, and timestamps. Once you have an image file, run a reverse image search to find other occurrences and context. If you get blocked or see only private profiles, contact a mutual connection or consider official/legal channels depending on necessity. Do not impersonate or bypass privacy controls. If nothing shows, wait and try again later because people change visibility settings frequently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.